All right, next up, back with Nate. Gonna clean us out of the greatest hits baseball. Box number 2. Good luck, man. Well, it's not Babe Ruth, but we got a teammate of his coming up. First off, we got the infamous Spike Owen. 3 of 3. All right, 2014. Immaculates. The greatest. Lou Gehrig, numbered 7 of 49 bat piece. Graded as a 9. Graded as a 9. Oh, this is interesting. What we have here. Allen and Ginter. This could be a crazy patch piece. That's pretty darn cool. Number 3 of 10. Booklet signatures, Noah Syndergaard. Three of 10 on the Thor. All right, then we got a 1961 Topps PSA 6.5 Roberto Clemente. And I think this is a pretty darn good card here too. 92 Bowman. BGS 9.5 rookie Mariano Rivera. Subgrade centering, corners 9.5, edges 10, surface 9. Nice Enter Sandman there, Mo to finish. All right, cool stuff once again, buddy. Appreciate it as always.